Me nah drink it. Move on after.
Welcome everybody, this is AC gang. Me name Abby aka Good Gal.
And your boy Capos there from Capos TV. Subscribe, like, share, join the family.
Cause we vibe say mad and extra. Achoo!
Whoa!
Welcome to the Mad Crew. And the summer sun say move. What's up, AC gang? On the Good Gal there, on the Good Gal. So people, as you can see by the title, me go prank the look dirty boy when you care about today people. So guys, we're supposed to play a game called What's the My Mouth Challenge. But people don't know what time Good Girl play so in the game. She have to put a twist to it. So guys, what me I go do, like maybe in the third one also or the fourth one also. Me don't know. Me I go make couple things say, me put several bottom in them face. People, I'm gonna use this. I guess what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put look tip of fat spray on it. So when the dirty boy I like so cause we're supposed to blindfold, you know, more than likely we're supposed to blindfold. So basically what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna put the fat spray on the look of fluff something here. Cause you don't know several look of shits one, so basically I saw film hear them, maybe would have feel low. So guys, I'm gonna put the fat spray on it. By the time I reach Capo mode, so the scent already supposed to lick him. And by the time I'm ready for fling off the blindfold, them time I'm gonna have 7 in my hand for make it look like say 7 bottom dropping at the dirty boy face. People talk truth, talk to me. I'm telling you one time good girl come with her. Dirty wearing him careful. How does it sound nasty wearing him careful? I know I'm not stop calling him dirty now nasty. I'm not stop. Guys, it look like a good girl. I've got set up 2 cameras because people I know say keep I could try and run me down. And I know say me love to fool in it. So I'm gonna run up and down in and create experiment. So I'm gonna need camera angles to catch all of the experiment. Don't think your boat gonna dog body up. So people, apparently in the first round of the first challenge, the guys, it never worked out because I'm going to end up get dirty pepper. So, come take him and give me pepper and so I just flip it and give him pepper first, guys. So I'm done the challenge in the first round. But don't worry people, don't worry, the actual prank they're on the comedy channel because I'm never gonna give up. I'm persuade him for continue the challenge. Yeah guys, I'm just drop the prank on him. So we're gonna go over to the comedy channel. I'll be a Capo Comedy TV. Alright, so stay tuned for the one. Because that one I'm dead to, you know, so stay tuned. Come on. What's the next thing? I'm not a good girl, Abby.
And the boy kept on there.
Back with another blazing video. Some people as a guest of the title.
Today we're gonna play What's in My Mouth. Wife and that thing.
Yeah, what did I want? Some people today, you know, say good girl about look for 5 things there. And dirty people man have
about 5 there.
Where me about 5? I'm supposed to have 5.
More.
Yeah, but you're not supposed to have more, don't boy. I'm not so. So guys, if you're new, please to subscribe.
Subscribe to Abby and Capo Comedy TV.
Subscribe to Abby's Vibes so no good girl answer.
And subscribe to Capos TV.
Dirty boy and Capo. Remember follow on the ground
Down below.
So, I know further talking. No further
Let's
talking.
flick into
The video.
up there. Man.
What the fuck is in my hair? So I almost swallowed it.
If you may hear them curling into your face, then you must win them out.
A style, you bad man. Anyways,
Oh,
come
this
on.
So me I go first.
No, I'm gonna rock paper scissors. Why? Alright guys, so I'm gonna rock paper scissors because dirty people man want teeth already, you know. I bet if you look at dirty white teeth me. Come.
Rock, paper, scissors.
So amiga.
Never wondering what's going
Put that
on.
over here. Why?
I mean, but she not pepper that, you know. That's all I tell you.
Show me that.
Pepper in there.
Why me that black?
Okay, wicked. You better talk about it now. What the camera?
Alright. You ready?
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
if you
sure.
have a lip of my lip gloss, I just kiss me while I go in.
Why I tell people them some kiss you? Remember them don't know so what do them something here. Now what a tongue. Open your
Yeah,
mouth.
wait for you to tell me say bolang out to home.
Mario, what's in your mouth? You have to use a tongue to bring it back.
Yo, burn up that way you chat to my girl.
Come down, Mario.
No, for real, be away you try to go up. Now go so I do you do.
Careful.
What?
Just follow. You have to have a tongue for rolling into something.
You have a different TikTok.
Yeah, but you're not playing the game.
Ready.
I have to have a tongue for rolling into something.
I'm rolling what something with yo.
Careful, what's in your mouth? Don't tell your tongue.
What you talk about though? No, you know fuck you know? Alright, ready. Bumbo clap. Yeah, fuck you know.
Oh my god! You know, see this guy I use?
Definitely. Bumbo.
Look how many of them says, eh?
Bumbo.
You want to see that?
Hey. You done, you know? Okay, yo, that's what blood clot from your man.
Come on, y'all, we're sorry.
I mean, move from here.
Alright, come on, we're not going
I mean, I'm not playing bumbo clot game with you.
yeah, but me and I used to eat pepper enough time.
Clot, my girl. Fuck you, going down.
Go drink some of my milk, some in the fridge.
You see that, sir? Move, man.
Yeah, but look where you made the camera run.
Fuck that. You're a big fucker, you know, bitch. What's the...
Yeah, we stand
What
up.
you mean
You
that-
eat pepper already, Capo. You eat pepper. You all of me, I swear. No, stop.
I'm done.
Come on, baby.
I'm done. I'm done. You know, you must say... I'm going to tune up pepper to pussy class. I'm going to tune up pepper on it.
Your tongue?
My chin.
Your chin?
Money has not bone me.
Oh. I didn't
I'm going to fuck you when you sleep. Watch me now. Watch me blood clot when you sleep.
You're not doing it.
Yeah? Huh?
Yo, come down, man. Yeah, we look like you don't eat pepper before. Go drink the milk from in the fridge.
I'm not playing more game. I'm serious, man. This done, man. Fuck you, man. My mouth has bone me. The type of blood clot to run past. First round, you fuck me up in a first round. So you fuck it, my fuck.
Drink some of my milk over there.
You finish it to me?
Get what? Nah, that's we have to stand up for you.
The girl cut pepper, you know? Oh, blood. Them things you do to me, when I never did you come, you can't manage them fucker. You can't manage them fucker there. You cannot manage. You hear that? You don't keep on my head. You don't keep on my head, my girl.
Hey, it's the milk.
No, the fuck are you making now? How that, man? Me not drink that. Me not drink that. Me not want that. Me not drink it. Move on that further.
Watch out. You're violent. Yeah, but you're correct that you eat pepper. You eat pepper, but you're not behave so.
Abi, you know fuck you do. Me ain't no fuck you do.
Come on. Get the game going to AC. Yeah, you think all the man.
I think my own self. Fuck you take this shit for. Where the fuck is sugar gone? Where's sugar there?
I put it down. You're going to get some diabetes.
Where's sugar there, baby?
Come on, baby, no man.
You have to give me up?
Yeah,
You have enough? I eat that for me for day. No, I think I joke, man. My girl, we sugar come, my girl. That man tell you.
Yo, it can't go like this. You are strong. Don't let me stop you from doing the game. Do this for AC gang.
Give me a second, come for me. That's all I'm telling
Do
you.
this for AC gang, okay?
I don't the game, man.
Yo.
I think I play one round good. You go one round, make me do what? You can push people in my mouth. No, I'm back. You be a fucker, you do. I'm not playing more games. I'm not playing more games. People, the game, how much video? 8 minutes video long enough now. 8 minutes gone.
Yeah, it can't. Alright, Osh.
After done yourself.
Osh.
Osh can't buy a brush. Go Osh.
Yeah, okay, can't.
But I'm motor, but what else about
So if I pass the game and tell
the game done.
The game can't done so
You
fast.
must come like you're idiot, your ass. If I can't tell him fuck crap, we couldn't play with you. You couldn't go run 1, run 2, run 3, then do your fuckery. If you want the fuckery. The first run, do the fuckery.
The first one, I have to spice everything.
I want to spice me.
Hence, pepper.
It's alright, man.
Yeah, but come and start. I'm not even looking at
I play
you.
with soup. Fuck, you take this thing for. Where I can't.
Come, we're not looking at you.
Where come I go?
Yeah, play the game. Get to start, man.
This book. I like a
Come, man.
Can you tell people on it? I'm going to tell you, idiot.
Why you put pepper on it? People. As I can see, Dirty Capo have to quit in a round one because why am I really giving pepper a while ago, guys? Because the boy make himself look suspicious. Because I see like him take up someone and hide it. So one time I look on the counter, I say pepper, I sit on the counter. So I say, no, sir, this dirty boy now come give me no pepper. And then before the game started, I talk about, don't give me no pepper, you know. So I'm going to drop the pepper on the dirty boy. Because I say, no, sir, now come give me no pepper. So guys, I'm going to do that. But apparently, him never have no pepper. That's what him say. But him can't trick me. I still not believe. So guys, him gone. I don't know him outside I do something, so you know I'm just saying I gotta do this guys. I still try to persuade him for continue. That's I can do the real prank on him, alright. So I still try to persuade him, so stay tuned.
Hey man, never see a girl cold so yet.
Yeah, it's pepper though. You eat pepper every day.
Yeah, intentionally.
Yeah, that's it. I can't believe you move so soft. They don't for true.
You see?
I don't know what you. But tell the drink some milk, you know? You should have drink some milk. When you drink milk, your mouth would have been so many.
Think it for me. You don't need to be nervous, you know. You don't cause issue.
Yeah.
Already know, people.
Yeah, strong enough. You can't do another one.
I bet you got it for me, man. Stop touching a bit.
You're strong enough. You can't do another one. Okay? You're strong enough. Okay? Another one? I wrote two?
My time to do now, though.
Eh?
My time to make you taste something, though.
Yeah, but my time in your eye.
Alright, now my hospital come. My time to make you taste something. Put in a blindfold now, no?
Yeah, I'm wash your face. But put blindfold pepper up on your
Put a new one and put on now.
Go for one virtue.
Make you feel some spice, too.
Don't put up pepper. Don't put up pepper.
You must make you eat that, right?
Some pepper you put on one. So I think I must say I put pepper on one.
Yeah, no, man.
I saw it.
Yeah, I'm gonna know.
Yeah, but they are going.
Go in there, more time, over.
Yeah.
If I go in there, more time, you're alright for taking it.
Pepper not going to my mouth, nothing.
Give me
You should have known, say, boom. I hear the plan put pepper in my mouth.
Give me a play then, if you know.
People, Capo, give up already.
No, give up.
No, you give up. You're too soft, man. Look at you. You're too soft. Capo, you're soft. You're too soft, man. People, Capo ruin the game for Uno. Him can't manage to look at pepper and eat pepper every day and ruin the game. So I decided really give AC game members.
Are you giving me to know? The game we have 6 items, and your first item of paper.
We have 5 items.
Same thing.
Go out, go home.
Okay. I go redo the package.
You already know what you did?
I'll come back.
Alright, that's what I thought. So guys, this will not be part 1 then. Because Kepo claim to say I'll come back for part 2. So it is.
Ready guys, so this is the end of the video. So, I'll be prank me. I must prank you prank me because I can't reason this. Or if you put the paper down on the first round.
It's the spice of the game. The spice of the game.
Alright, it's spicy enough now.
Kepo really done it, guys. So guys, it is Kepo Care, man. So close them up since I done the game so fast, yeah, man. I'm gonna check my blow not.
So, this is the end of the video, people. I'll be far. I'm going back to items to play a fun, nice game full of laugh. But I'll be at different plans. Hope you enjoy the same way still. More about me now continue. You see me? More
but yeah, you say I'm a restart and come back.
With
so restart
today. With Benjamin.
Restart with that this done. So this is a part 1.
Yeah, chat too much now. Ready, people? Until then.
Next week, guys.
Oh!
Bye.
Backside.
You ready, darling?
Of course, we don't